So YouTube, how's it going? Buster here, Venture Biker. So I've stopped and I've changed the angle of the mount. I could potentially, no I can't, I could potentially have that up higher. I probably could actually, I'm not too sure. You see, this is just a test, different angles for this 360. I don't know how I'm going to use it yet. We'll see how it goes. As I says, this is just a wee tester of this camera to see how. I'd rather it face that way anyway, because if anything's going to hit the screen, it's going to hit the back of the camera, not the actual main screen. So let's get on it. So we'll see how this works out. See, it's just a wee tester of how the camera goes. I don't know how it's going to work. Test these mounts as well. Why I want to do it that way is I don't like, you see people mounting cameras and stuff. I don't like the camera on the bars because it moves as you're riding, if you know what I mean. Like that one, I wouldn't have that one. That one there, I wouldn't have that on there. And I don't really like I don't like the idea of the 360 being there either. I don't know why. So that's why I want to try the mount where it is. At the end of the day, it's not going to fall off because it's on the clamp mounts. I should have maybe brought some tape with me and taped it, so it had a wee bit more grip. It's gripped, but it's no. It's bottoming out between the jaws. And why I kind of more likely it's going to be there, especially if there's a groupies, that means I can record them as what they're doing and stuff. And I might potentially put it on like my brother's bike maybe, or one of the boys' bikes when we're in a group. The editing's going to be a pain in the arse, but it is what it is. It is what it is. So I've just been informed off my son that I need to pick him up at 2:45. So that'll give me time to, I've kind of got it on that 46 mile, that gives me plenty of time to mess about. This is a military road, this. There's two of these run side by side, there's one over there as well. And if you notice, there's no drone zone. Don't know about recording. So that gives me plenty of time to get. I've got 2 hours to get for here. See, I'm going to get there at 1:45, but that depends on traffic and stuff like that. Now normally, I probably wouldn't have even bought a 360 camera, but we cheaped on the bike buying his DJI 360 and he put this up for sale for the price he was selling it for. Do you know what I mean? It's it was kind of it'd be stupid not to buy it, and give it a go, really.
Welcome to Buster, ATV biker, your go-to channel for thrilling motorcycle and taco adventures, epic off-road journeys, intense for life on two wheels. Whether it's tackling rugged trails, scenic rides across stunning landscapes, or sharing the gear and insights to fuel your passion for adventure, we've got you covered. Hit the road with Buster, ATV biker. Let's chase the horizon together. Subscribe now and ride the adventure. Welcome to Buster, ATV biker, and let's chase the horizon together. Subscribe now and ride the adventure.
Hey YouTube, so this is just a wee voiceover. So I'm not doing much chatting on this video. I'm just kind of setting up the camera, see where I'm going to like it, where it's going to be best positioned. I've obviously been out a few more times since this video, and I'm kind of going with the kind of suggestion from Chipped on a Bike, where I'm going to really use this, or where it's really going to come into its own, is when there's a group of us out. If it's just me, I think I'm just going to stick to the GoPro Hero 12 and the GoPro Hero 11 Mini. I'll not put this on the bike when it's just me, I don't think. In saying that, there is a video coming up where I've got it sticking out the front of my bike like a unicorn, just to see what the view is going to be like. So yeah, hope you're liking the video so far. Please like and comment on the video, let me know what you're thinking about the 360 and if I should use it more or not. Really, the price that I got this camera for, it was stupid not to buy it and give it a go. If I do start using it a lot more, then I might think about upgrading it to maybe the DJI 360 or even the X5, or I might just wait until GoPro brought out their new one, because apparently it's going to be just as good, if not better, than the new Insta X5 and the new DJI. So yeah, just leave a wee comment at the bottom, see what you think of the view of the 360X3, and hope you're enjoying the video. Well, YouTube, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share if you haven't already. Saying there's quite a few of you that are watching and not subscribed, so it would be really amazing if you could do that. So stay rubber side down, and remember, take life one mile at a time. Catch you later.